Hi there, and today we're going to have a Clickup Widgets tutorial. So here I am in the Clickup website, and then let's go to the Clickup workspace. So from here, I'm just going to click login, and then since my account is already logged in, I'm now in the Clickup workspace. So from here, what you can do is that you can add widgets to your projects right here by having a dashboard. So for example, we are in here in my project one as an example, and then I have a bunch of tasks right here. So from here, we are going to create another view. So just click the plus button right here to add another view, and then we will going to be adding a dashboard. So from here, you will have different dashboard templates. You have the simple dashboard, you have the AI Team Center, you have time tracking, you have project management, you have client portal, and then you can also create one from scratch. So for example, I'll just going to be adding a simple dashboard. So as you can see, this immediately creates different cards, or in other words, widgets. So we have our widgets right here depicting all of the data from our project. So for example, we have an AI summary right here. We have unassigned tasks. We have in progress tasks. We have completed tasks. We have workload by status, total tasks by assignee or like by person, open tasks by assignee, task completed this week, task due this week or overdue. So nothing is in here. And then you have latest activities. And then if you want to add more widgets, what you can do is that you can just click add card. So from here, you will have a bunch of different widgets to choose from. So you have a task list, the workload by status, portfolio, calculation, and so on and so forth. And then you can just scroll down until you see all of the widgets right here that you want to use. You can also have some line charts, bar charts, pie charts, a battery chart, and a discussion board. So for example, let's add a discussion board. So we can just click on it. And then as you can see, it will have a discussion widget from here where you can talk with your coworkers or your other users. And we can also add more widgets right here. So you can just see the different templates right here so that you can customize the look of your dashboard. For example, I'll also add another widget right here. So let's say like a line chart, and then some other charts right here or like other widgets require you to use a free trial. So if you have the business plan. So if you don't have the business plan, we can just stick with the free widgets from here. And then what you can also do is that you can also embed applications right here. Like for example, custom codes right here, a Google document, Google Sheets, Google Slides, YouTube, Figma, and so on and so forth. And then that is it. So you just need to customize your dashboard according to your preferences so that you will have a custom dashboard for all of your projects. And then that is it. So I hope you learn how to do it. And thank you for watching.